All right, so any of you guys that are true enthusiasts are going to really appreciate this. Got this dirt rider. It's 12 issues. You can see the date of when these are from. 1992. So it's the entire Dirt Wheels 1992. This one here, let me pull this out. It is same 12. And this is August of, it's 1985. Here's June of 85, and you get the point. Now for the good one. This is the Shootout for 86. Man, that's crazy. My phone will not focus too good. There we go. There we go. All right, I know there's got to be some other nerds out there. I'm not the only one that collects this kind of stuff. But this old magazine is so fragile and just feels so different compared to a new magazine. There's very little color. I haven't even had a chance to really read it yet. I was checking out the shootout between the 250R 3-wheeler, 250R 4-wheeler, the Tri-Z Yamaha, then there's a Quad Racer 4-wheeler, and then the Ducati Kawasaki. I would love to get my hands on one of these, but they're like $7,000–8,000. It's not worth that much to me. What's your problem, cat? How are you? Making all kinds of noises. I love seeing the old ads. Even the mini Shootout. I would have killed for one of these when I was a kid. Any of them, really. This is 8. I had a 1990 RM that looks very similar. Got it from my buddy. So there you go. That's a pretty sweet little piece of history. I figured you guys would enjoy. Look, it was $3 for the magazine back then. I paid $20 for it, which I was happy to pay. So there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed this short little video on this piece of history. Don't forget to hit like.